Raindrops fall, yet joy is near. Today, I draw Mum and Bluey with an umbrella so dear. Colors will bloom as the picture takes time. Tell me, friend, have you ever twirled beneath gentle rain, feeling it rhyme? The sky was silver, the air was soft, and Mum held a bright umbrella aloft. Bluey skipped beside her, paws light on the ground, while the patter of rain made a cozy sound. The breeze was cool, the grass shone green, the umbrella's fabric glowed with sheen. Can you stretch your arms wide, like Bluey did, reaching for raindrops with joy she hid? Bluey, my pup, the world is wet. Mum laughed, her voice the sweetest duet. Bluey twirled, her tail spun fast. Mum, this umbrella makes shadows that last. They stepped through puddles, ripples spread round, giggles and rhymes in the air did sound. Dance with me, Mum, spin side to side. Hold my paw, Bluey, enjoy the ride. Their rhyme-filled play lit up the street, every splash beneath their feet. Halfway through their little stroll, a pause came in the tale I told. If you're smiling at their fun, don't forget, my friend, to like this video and subscribe my channel, and then the joy will carry on, bright as a bell. Soon the rain softened, the air grew still, the umbrella rested on windowsill. Bluey cuddled close, her fur warm and dry. Mum whispered softly, the clouds say goodbye. Imagine now, you're holding your own shade, a rainbow umbrella in colors displayed. Can you twirl it slow, then fold it small, just like Bluey after rain's gentle call? Farewell for now. The tale is through, but tomorrow will bring adventures new. With rhyme in heart and dreams to keep, close your eyes, drift into sleep.